Welcome to the C204 video series brought to you by the Business SPIA Library. Hi, I'm Christina Jones. This series will help you formulate an intelligent research strategy and find information that will give you a competitive edge for the case competition. Use the research guide located in the Research Help tab of the Canvas site for C204 to access all of the databases covered in the video. The guide also has ways to get help with your research, including a chat box and an email address. In this video, you will get a brief overview of the case requirements and learn how to capture information about our client, Proozy. Now, let's break down this case. Proozy's vision for 2020 is to be the #1 daily deals website with name brand products for the entire family. The client is asking you to come up with a strategic differentiation strategy that will drive sustainable growth for the company. In addition to understanding Proozy's products and current strategies, you are asked to investigate 3 critical areas. Who is the new target customer of Proozy? What additional products should Proozy offer? And how can Proozy enhance customer experience, either online or through community building events? Videos 2, 3, and 4 address 3 angles of the case and, taken together, will provide a solid base for finding research on which you can build a viable case solution. Now, these videos are numbered, but you don't have to watch them in order, and your research is unlikely to follow a clean progression from one to the next. You'll probably have to move back and forth between them as you develop your idea. Now, before diving right into ideas and solutions, let's begin by understanding the client. Proozy has a robust online presence and makes great use of social media and brand ambassadors. As you investigate the website, pay attention to the brands that are offered and, more importantly, not offered. Consider the online content created by Proozy contributors and ambassadors. Read Proozy's blog and look for them on social media. Now, looking beyond the online environment, consider what Proozy is already doing to build their brand through community events. For example, according to the case document, Proozy holds a golf tournament to raise money for our troops. They also have CrossFit Murph events and, more recently, a 5K race. Proozy has even invested in a brick-and-mortar store, complete with a CrossFit gym called Proozy Fit. Analyze media surrounding these events and think of ways to leverage what they are already doing to expand their customer base. Library resources can help you learn more about the company. Reference USA provides a snapshot of the organization, including approximate sales volume, overhead, and staffing. Since Proozy is a relatively new company, you will find most articles in local press, such as the Minneapolis-St. Paul Business Journal and Twin Cities Business, both linked from your Canvas course site. Simply type Proozy in the search box to find articles like these. Local news may also be found in a library resource, Regional Business News, which is also linked from your guide. Once you learn all about our client's current business through our client's website and library resources such as Reference USA and Regional Business News, move on to Video 2 to learn about the industry in which Proozy operates. Thank you for watching. Good luck with your research.